Hi, my name is Julia and today we're going to be baking orange cake. It's going to be vegan, keto friendly, zero sugar, low in carbohydrates and packed with healthy fats. Okay, just to make it easy for you, on this side I have wet ingredients and on this side I have dry ingredients. So let's start preparing. The full list of ingredients you're going to find in the video's description. For this keto orange cake, we're going to be using 3 flours. I have almond flour, coconut flour, and something called okra flour. But if you don't have this one in your store, just forget about it. Use this too. So this recipe is as simple as 1 cup, 1 cup, and 1 cup. So as I said before, if you can't find this flour in your store, you can use 1.5 cups of almond flour and 1.5 cups of coconut flour. The next step is to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And let's mix everything well. For this recipe, I'm going to be using my favorite monk fruit extract as a sugar substitute. But if you don't follow any type of diet, you can just use regular sugar or any sugar substitute that you like. The next step is to add all the wet ingredients. I have some orange juice, some plant-based milk, and 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. In my case, it's coconut oil. The coconut oil adds extra flavor to the cake, but make sure not to store it in a fridge, as you know coconut oil gets hard when it's cold and you don't want a hard cake. Last step for me is to add some orange blossom water. If you don't have it, just omit it all together. It's not a big deal. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon just for extra orangey flavor. Now we are going to combine the wet and the dry ingredients, probably in 2 steps. Okay, and start mixing. I'm going to use some vanilla powder. If you have vanilla extract, that's perfectly fine. Probably 1/2 teaspoon. And just a friendly reminder to preheat your oven to 380 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're looking to enhance orange color of the cake, you can use some turmeric powder or some natural colorant. And the last ingredient is zest of one orange. Today I have this beautiful cake pan, which I'm going to preheat in oven for a few minutes before greasing it and transferring the cake dough. So now the baking pan is nice and hot. And transfer the cake batter. The consistency is completely different from the usual cake batter because this one doesn't have any gluten and it's packed full of healthy fats. So now the cake is ready to go into the oven on 380 degrees Fahrenheit for around 30 minutes. The cake's been in the oven for 30 minutes and I'm ready to go and check on it. We are going to leave our cake for a few hours to cool before starting to decorate. Our cake had a few hours to cool and let's transfer it onto a plate. It's looking very good. Now let's get ready to decorate. I have piping bag. I have dark chocolate, which is keto friendly. This is the easiest way to do it. Make a tight knot and place it in the microwave for, let's start with 15 seconds. So I microwave the chocolate for 2 minutes and it's nice and soft, and you don't need to transfer it from bowl to bowl, which wastes the chocolate. Nice and ready. And let's finish decoration with some dried orange pieces. I have my tea ready and I'm so excited to cut this cake. It is fragrant, it is moist, and very delicious. This vegan keto-friendly cake is going to be a perfect addition to your healthy diet. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on my channel next time.